on Jump Inspired Ecosystems. She got plenty of jumping space, plenty of space to move around. Ecosystem, see. She's like, hey. There's some like more is black and orange. Couldn't get no focus. She like blackish orange. Nice little ecosystem. Got her little water. There's our house right there. Yeah. Just make sure they're closed, because you know they're escape artists. Just make sure that's closed, but I don't close it all the way all the time. I don't know why. Just can't get out of there. But Big Mama up here. Look, y'all can see she more black and white. You ever bought Reese's while eating Reese's? That is some boss behavior.
Hey guys, and welcome to our retro iBox Royal Tour for 2022. I thought I'd show you around the place.
She gonna get a bigger, little Pippi gonna get a bigger equal, a little Aquarium too, when she get bigger. But there's plenty of space for her to have jump around and stuff right there. Plenty around. You see got those little green. Yeah, two for different species. They're two different kinds for sure.